Going on, everyone? Got a 2013 Toyota Camry. Today we're going to replace the remote battery.
Okay, to replace the remote battery, just get yourself a small flathead screwdriver, and you have a slot right here. We're going to use the screwdriver to just crack the remote open. Now, before you get too crazy with this, I do want to warn you that you should leave the remote with the buttons facing down while you're doing this. Once you crack open this cover, all these buttons get super loose and they like to fall out of the remote. So I would hold on to it kind of tight like this. But we're going to remove this part of the remote right here. It just comes right out, and you'll be able to see all these buttons like to just fall out and go everywhere. So we're going to put this down, and we're working with this piece now. Okay, this is circuit board and the battery and everything, again with the flathead screwdriver, and we're just going to just start prying this guy open. Okay, just be kind of gentle and go at it where these little slots are at. Okay, right underneath it, and start separating it. All right, you hear it kind of crack open and everything, and then one more right here. Open this guy up. Okay, and here is the battery. Now pry the battery out, and I'll get the new battery, and I'll show you what size you're gonna need. So here is the new battery, and the size of the battery is a CR2016. Okay, if you need a battery, I'll leave a link down in the description box. Takes you to Amazon, where you get some batteries. If you want to get some batteries, especially like these, they're like $1 a piece. So check that out if you need a battery. And when you get your new one, you're gonna stick it in the holder like this right here, and just pop it right in. Okay, it's gonna pop right in. Now there's this little rubber seal here we don't want to pinch up, and then we're going to get the black cover, stick it back on here, snap, and get our buttons and make sure they didn't fall out or move or anything. And just put this guy right back on here, and we can snap this cover back on. It just snaps on. We're all done. Well, hope the video was helpful. If it was, appreciate it if you liked, comment, subscribe. Catch you guys in the next video.